Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
The Zen Wallet offers unparalleled security, safeguarding your precious digital assets like never before. Properly connecting your new Zen Wallet ensures you have seamless access to your funds while maintaining top-tier protection from external threats. This straightforward guide is designed to walk you through the entire simple setup process, ensuring your wallet is ready for secure transactions in just a few moments. You'll be set up very quickly. Before beginning, please ensure your smartphone or computer meets the minimum system requirements for the Zen Connect app. Next, download the official Zen Connect app directly from your device's trusted app store or the official Zen Wallet website. Avoid third-party links. Finally, make sure your physical Zen Wallet device is fully charged and powered on, ready to establish its secure connection. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth setup. Once you have the app open, simply select the Pair New Device option to begin the connection sequence. The app will then guide you to enable either Bluetooth or NFC, depending on your device, ensuring a secure communication channel. A unique pairing code will appear on both your phone and your Zen Wallet. Confirm these codes match exactly to proceed with the secure linkage. This verification protects your connection. To finalize your secure connection, you will need to complete the brief two-factor authentication process. Then, the app will prompt you to create a robust, unique PIN for your Zen Wallet. Remember this PIN, as it's essential for future transactions. Critically, immediately after your connection is confirmed, back up your recovery phrase in multiple secure, offline locations. This phrase is the key to recovering your assets if your wallet is ever lost. Congratulations! Your Zen Wallet is now fully connected and ready to securely manage your digital assets. Remember, the absolute most important step for long-term security is to keep your recovery phrase safe and stored offline in several distinct, secure locations. For any further questions, or if you encounter any issues not covered here, please visit the official Zen Wallet support page. Enjoy peace of mind with your new wallet.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.